Hello everyone, this is Ronak here from Mobizium. I hope you are safe and are utilizing your time effectively. In this video, we are going to tell you about popular e-learning platforms. These websites can help learners at every stage, whether entering a new job market, changing fields, seeking promotion or exploring new interests. The trust in e-learning and digital guidance has grown immensely in a couple of years and soon might evolve to replace all the conventional ways of teaching. So stick around this video. I will tell you about top 7 online e-learning platforms to develop new skills in this lockdown period. So don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like this video and share it amongst your aspiring colleagues. Before getting started, I'd like to tell you about our platform Mobizium.com. Mobizium is a content marketplace. We aggregate content writers across all genres for your business needs. Now getting back to the video. First in my list is Udemy. Udemy is one of the most popular and biggest websites for online courses. The platform offers various courses taught by leading experts. One can select the courses of their choice over 55,000 courses in all sorts of different topics. Some of these free courses on Udemy also offer certificates with them. Further, it allows you to build custom courses for lessons. Udemy has an app to which you can take your lessons anytime. The general price range of the courses can go from $5 to $500. If these numbers don't fit your budget, you don't have to worry, as Udemy is known for providing great discounts. Next up in my list is Lynda, which is now called as LinkedIn e-learning. It is owned by LinkedIn, of course, and has its tutorials in 5 different languages. LinkedIn Learning is an immensely useful platform for those who are aimed to learn new skills related to technology, business and creativity. LinkedIn Learning also offers a subscription-based video tutorial library. The courses offered by the website are on a wide range of topics including software development, marketing, photography and many more. If you prefer visual learning, then this platform is the right option for you. Coming up third in the list is edX. One of the other great options for free online education is edX. It was founded in 2012 by the Harvard University and MIT. It focuses on providing high quality educational content to enhance teaching and learning. edX offers fully online courses on psychology, engineering, computer science and much more. Join edX, you have to select the certificate course option. One of the perks of edX is that it issues an official certificate as a proof of one's accomplishments. Fourth in the list is Allison. If you're looking for free online courses, then Allison is the best option. With 10 million students from all over the world, Allison is one of the biggest e-learning resources which offers free as well as high quality courses. You can find courses on health, technology, businesses, designs and languages. One can pick up from the variety of subjects from 800 free courses. The students will be required to take assessments and score at least 80% to pass. The resources provided by Allison will help develop essential and certified workplace skills. Fifth in the list is Coursera. The Coursera is one of the leading providers of massive open online courses. It has partnered with universities and organizations all over the world to offer universal access to world's best education. Some of them include the University of Pennsylvania, Stanford University and University of Michigan. Coursera courses has a wide variety of subjects to choose from. Anything from data science to musical theory. There are nearly 1,000 of courses that are completely free. Just click on the category name and you will get a list of free courses from that particular category. The mobile app of Coursera could be downloaded to make learning convenient for you. On completion of some courses, you will be awarded the certificate of completion as well. Moving on to the next list in the platform is FutureLearn. FutureLearn is a part of Open University, which is offering course programs from leading educational institutions and organization partners. For further extensive learning, one can choose their programs which contain several courses in them. One of the benefits of FutureLearn is the social learning involved in this program. It gives the students the opportunity to engage in discussions with others throughout their course. There are various free courses on subjects like business, law, literature, art, history, study skills, teaching, media and so on. This can cost you anywhere between 24 to 69 pounds. You can learn the courses at your own pace from a desktop or mobile device. Coming to the last but not least, Udacity. Udacity is an e-learning platform that is way cheaper than your traditional school. Udacity has dedicated itself to bring higher education into the world in an affordable and effective way. Now, Udacity offers about 200 plus courses that are completely free of charge, but do not offer a certificate. The nano degrees in Udacity are completely paid, but offers micro credentials that are exclusive to Udacity. The nano degrees currently cost about $399 per month. It offers an online credential that puts you ahead of competition while applying for a job. They are well-crafted selected courses that focus strongly on technology. So Udacity is the right platform if you are thinking of working in technology. With several courses on data science, iOS, Android, web development and software engineering, you are sure to get in the most up-to-date education. That's the list, guys. Thank you for watching this video. Hope you found this video useful for yourself. If you have any query or questions, leave it down in the comment below. Till that time, stay safe, keep learning. Thank you.